Are you curious about trading cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Dogecoin? If yes, you need to watch this video till the end because I will be educating you on crypto trading and also giving you the tips and tricks to become a successful crypto trader. But before you begin your journey to trading cryptocurrencies, you need to understand some terminologies. First of all, what is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrencies are digital currencies using digital cryptography to process transactions and create new coins. Cryptocurrencies work on decentralized platforms, meaning they can't be controlled by third parties such as banks and governments. You've probably heard about cryptocurrency markets as well, which also work on a decentralized system, which means they're not issued or backed by central authority such as a government. In today's video, I'll be revealing to you the A to Z of crypto trading and what you need to know before getting started. Now, what do you understand about cryptocurrency trading? Cryptocurrency trading is the act of speculating on cryptocurrency price movements via a CFD trading account, or buying and selling the underlying coins via an exchange. To get started trading cryptos, you need a wallet, where you can keep any cryptocurrency you'll be purchasing from any crypto exchange platform, like Remoto, Coinbase, Binance, and many more. Knowing some crypto terms will also be of great help to you. You need to know some crypto terms such as altcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, blockchain, coin, Coinbase, cryptocurrency, decentralized finance, decentralized applications, digital gold, Ethereum, exchange, fork, gas, decentralization, Genesis block, hold, halving, hash, hot wallet, initial coin offering or ICO, market capitalization, mining, node, peer-to-peer, public key, private key, smart contract, and many more. Now let's define these terms one by one. Altcoin. An altcoin is an alternative coin, meaning any coin that is different from Bitcoin. Bitcoin. I'm sure you've heard about Bitcoin. This is the first and most valuable cryptocurrency owned and created by Satoshi Nakamoto. Its current price is around $40,000. Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash is designed to be better optimized for transactions. Block. These are groups of data within a blockchain, and each block can hold only a certain amount of information. Blockchain. This is a digital form of record keeping and the driving technology behind cryptocurrencies. Coin. A coin is a representative store of digital value that lives on a given blockchain or cryptocurrency network. Coinbase. Coinbase is a common centralized cryptocurrency exchange. Cold wallet / cold storage. This is a secured method of storing your cryptocurrency completely offline. This wallet may come in the form of a USB drive for protecting your crypto from hackers. Cryptocurrency. This is a digital and decentralized currency that can be used to buy and sell things or as a store of long-term value. Decentralization. The principle of distributing power away from a central point. Decentralized finance, DeFi. These are financial activities conducted without the interference of a third party like a bank, government, or other financial institution. Decentralized applications or DApps. These are applications designed by developers and deployed on a blockchain to carry out actions without going through third parties. Ethereum. Ethereum is a crypto network and a software platform that developers can use to create new applications and has an associated currency called Ether. Exchange. A cryptocurrency exchange is a digital marketplace where you can buy and sell cryptocurrency. Gas. This is a fee developers have to pay the Ethereum network to use the system. Genesis block. This is the first block of a cryptocurrency ever mined. Hold. HODL. Hold means hold on for dear life. A passive investment strategy in which people buy and hold on to cryptocurrency without selling and hoping the value of the cryptocurrency will increase in the future. Initial coin offering, ICO. This is a method of raising funds for a new cryptocurrency project through investors. Market capitalization. This refers to the total value of all the coins that have been mined. Mining. This is a process whereby new cryptocurrency coins are made available and a log of transactions between users is maintained. Peer-to-peer. This is when two users are interacting directly without third-party interference. Public key. This is your wallet's address, which is just like your bank account number. Private key. This is an encrypted code that allows direct access to your cryptocurrency. This is similar to your bank account password and should never be shared with anyone. Now that you know basic crypto terminologies, we can proceed to crypto trading proper. But you can't just go ahead and start crypto trading without knowing the steps involved. I and my team have put together some steps to make you a successful crypto trader. So here we go. Step 1. Do research on how the cryptocurrency market works and take your time to understand the core terminologies. Step 2. Choose a platform and learn what features distinguish crypto trading platforms. Step 3. Practice with play money or demo money. Examples are brokers like Plus 500 and eToro that offer a demo account where you can practice cryptocurrency CFD trading. Step 4. Verify your account with a broker whose fees you can afford and supports the crypto products you want in your country. In this case, you can be asked to present your proof of identification and proof of address. Step 5. Secure your account using two-factor authentication, probably via SMS option, as well as email authentication. Step 6. Consider automated crypto trading. With everything in place, you don't think you should consider trying automated crypto trading using a platform like CoinRule. Automated trading can provide you with a conservative, neutral, or aggressive method, and you can make money quickly, hold your coins, or diversify your portfolio. Step 7. Store your cryptocurrency. What's the essence of trading cryptocurrencies when you can't store them for future usage? It's highly recommended to store your funds on the exchange so that you can easily have access to them anytime, any day. If you're considering holding them for long term, you should try as much as possible to get a cryptocurrency wallet. We have software wallets and hardware wallets. It's better to use hardware wallets because they offer the best security compared to software wallets. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and smash the like button. Now that we are at the concluding part of the video, you need to understand that there are some fees associated with exchanges, and I'm going to reveal them to you right now. What are these exchanges requesting exchange fees? Well, exchanges generate funds basically through these fees, and that's what keeps them running. You can decide to go for exchange with low fees, but remember, some exchanges offer more features in exchange for higher fees. Let's have a brief definition of these fees. Trader fees. This is a fee charged by exchanges whenever traders come to place a trade on the market or to take out someone on a trade. Most exchanges charge between 1% to 3% of the transaction carried out. For example, let's assume you want to trade on Remitano and actual transaction funds are $100. You might be charged $1 to $3 for the whole transaction. We also have deposit and withdrawal fees, and these fees are charged when you want to deposit or withdraw from an exchange platform. Some exchanges may charge between 3 to 4%. And finally, the exchange fees, which are charged when you want to convert tokens between currencies. This amount depends on the currencies involved. In conclusion, crypto trading is highly profitable and highly risky as well. Many crypto traders are making a living from this profitable business model. Inasmuch as they make profits, they lose money as well. So crypto trading is not a get-rich-quick business model. Do your research and trade with what you can afford to lose. Thanks for watching this video until the end. I hope you found this video educational, interactive, and informative. Before you exit the screen, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, click on the notification bell, and smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.